Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we will move in periodic classification of element. So today we are going to understand the periodic trends. Periodic trends occur when we move along with period or in a group. Okay. So today we are going to understand the periodic trend of atomic size. Okay. So what is atomic size basically? Atomic size. So we know the atom have its nucleus, it is the positive center, and these are the different cell. These are the different cell. So this is the center of nucleus and it is the outermost shell. So the distance from the center of nucleus to the outermost shell is called as atomic radius. So this is atomic radius. Atomic radius. What is atomic radius? It is the distance from the center of nucleus to the outermost cell. Outermost shell is called as atomic radius, and atomic size is determined by atomic radius. That means the element having atomic radius higher, it is the then the size of atomic radius with higher is higher. एटॉमिक रेडियस जिसका ज्यादा होगा उसका एटॉमिक साइज भी क्या होगा, ज्यादा होगा. दैट मीन्स हम एटॉमिक साइज एटॉमिक रेडियस के बेस के ऊपर ही आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज एटॉमिक साइज? एटॉमिक साइज इज नथिंग बट द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द center of nucleus to the outermost shell is called as atomic radius, and atomic size is determined by atomic radius. जिसका atomic radius ज्यादा उसका atomic size भी ज्यादा होगा. Is it? अब हमको ट्रेंड देखना है एटॉमिक साइज का व्हेन वी मूव अलोंग विथ पीरियड एज वेल एज इन ग्रुप. सो दिस इज द जनरल ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल. This is the general block diagram of modern periodic table. Here we have two series called lanthanoid and actinoid series at the bottom of modern periodic table. So we know this is group number 1, 2, here we have 3 up to 12, then here we have 13 up to 17 and here we have 18. This is the period 1, period 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 periods. So this is the block diagram of modern periodic table. This is the left side of modern periodic table. This is the right side of modern periodic table. This is the top of modern periodic table and this is the bottom. This is the bottom of modern periodic table. Okay. So now we have to understand the trend of atomic radius. So if you want to write this portion, you can write, because we are moving further and we have to erase it now. So see, when we move from top to bottom, that is we will move along with group. So we have to write the trend of atomic radius. Trend of atomic radius first in group. First in groups when we move along with group top to bottom. See, here we have hydrogen atom. Here we have hydrogen, and hydrogen have only one shell. It is in the case of hydrogen, and hydrogen have only one shell. When we will move down, here we have lithium. So here we have lithium, and lithium have two shells. Lithium have two shells. Then we have sodium. Then we have sodium. So this is the nucleus of sodium and these are the three shells, because sodium have three shells. Likewise, if we will move down, each time new cells is added. See here, in first atom we have one cell only. Second atom we have two cells. Third atom we have three cells. If we move down, we will have four cells. In case of potassium, 1, 2, 3 and 4 cells. So what is happening here? When we move top to bottom along with group, each time new cells is added. Each time new cell is added. So due to addition of the new cell, the distance from the center of nucleus to the outermost cell increases. Here we have R, here we have again R, but the radius of lithium is higher than hydrogen. So we can write radius of lithium is higher than radius of hydrogen. Here in case of sodium, the atomic radius of sodium is higher than lithium. So we can write here radius of sodium is greater or higher or greater than radius of lithium. That means हम जैसे जैसे ऊपर से नीचे आएंगे, each time new cell add हो रही है, due to which the distance from the center of nucleus to the outermost cell it is also increases. अब atomic radius बढ़ रही है, इसका मतलब atomic size भी increase होगा, है ना? So क्या होगा? In group. So when we move along with top to bottom, see, this is the understanding part. Okay, this is not the part that you have to write, but समझने के लिए you can write on side by your page. Okay, so when we move top to bottom along with group, new cells is added, new cell are added each time. अब हर बार न्यू सेल ऐड हो रही है, दैट मीन्स एटॉमिक रेडियस क्या होगी? इंक्रीज होगी. न्यू सेल्स आर एडेड each time due to which atomic radius increases. अब एटॉमिक रेडियस इंक्रीज हो रही है, दैट मीन्स एटॉमिक साइज भी इंक्रीज होगा. Therefore atomic size also increases. Okay, so what is the trend of atomic radius or atomic size in group? So when we move top to bottom along with group, here we have groups. Each time new cells are added, due to addition of new cell, the distance from the center of nucleus to the outermost cell increases. That means the atomic radius increases. अब atomic radius increase हो रहा है, that means atomic size is also increases down the group when we move. Okay, so this is the trend of atomic radius in group. Now we will understand the trend of atomic radius in period. So if you want to write, you can write here. See, we will take example of few elements of the same period. Okay, so trends in period. So when we move from, this is the left part and this is the right part of modern periodic table. So when we move from left to right along with period, we have to write the base first. When we move from left to right along with groups, period, what happens? See, here we have sodium. Sodium have atomic number 11 and it has 1, 2 and 3 cells. Here we have 3 cells. After sodium, we have magnesium. Sodium, after sodium we have magnesium, and magnesium have atomic number 12. So, but have the 3 shell only. दोनों के पास 3 शेल है, but magnesium have 1 more electron. That means जैसे हम लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव हो रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हो रहे हैं सेम शेल में. When we move left to right along with period, electrons are added in a same shell. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हुआ, so proton भी तो ऐड होगा, because we know the number of electron and proton in any atom are same, that is equal in numbers. That's why our atoms are neutral, electrically neutral. Now here we have aluminium. See, we are moving left to right along with period. So here we have aluminium, and aluminium have atomic number 13. See, number of shell add नहीं हो रही है, but each time electron increase हो रहे by 1. So और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड होगा. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हुआ, that means proton is also added in a nucleus. Then we will move to silicon. Silicon have atomic number 14. That means सेम सेल में वापस क्या हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हो रहा है, और प्रोटॉन भी ऐड होगा हमारे न्यूक्लियस में. So अब क्या हो रहा है, when we move left to right along with period, electrons are added in a same cell. So we have to write, when we move left to right along with period, electrons are added in a same shell. In a same shell. अब इसके कारण क्या हो रहा है, ड्यू टू विच न्यूक्लियस का जो न्यूक्लियस चार्ज इंक्रीज होगा. ड्यू टू विच न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीजेस. अब न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज होगा तो क्या होगा, वो आउटर मोस्ट शेल को स्ट्रांगली अपने तरफ पुल करेगा, खींचेगा. अब जब हर बार इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हो रहा है, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज बढ़ा, ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन न्यूक्लियस एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ आउटर मोस्ट शेल इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. आउटर मोस्ट शेल के इलेक्ट्रॉन और न्यूक्लियस के बीच में कैसा है, अपोजिट चार्ज है. यहाँ वी हैव नेगेटिव चार्ज, इन न्यूक्लियस वी हैव पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो न्यूक्लियस के पॉजिटिव और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के नेगेटिव चार्ज के बीच में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क करेगा. Due to increase in force of attraction, the outermost shell slightly pulls towards the nucleus each time. Okay? अब न्यूक्लियस की तरफ जब outermost shell pull होगी, that means atomic radius will decreases. Okay? So we have written up to now, when we move from left to right along with period, electrons are added in a same cell, due to which nucleus charge increases. It leads to increase in force of attraction between nucleus and electrons of outermost shell, which leads to, hence, or we can write hence, outermost shell slightly means थोड़ा थोड़ा, slightly pulls towards the nucleus. अब न्यूक्लियर की तरफ जो आउटरमोस्ट शेल पुल होगी, दैट मींस एटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीज होगा, और एटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीज होगा, दैट मींस एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीज होगा. न्यूक्लियस, हेंस, therefore atomic radius decreases, hence atomic size decreases along with period. We have to write, hence after here you have to write here only, okay. Hence atomic size decreases in period. Okay, so this is all about the atomic size and its trends. Okay, so this is very important part. Okay, so what happens in along with when we move along with period as well as in group with atomic size? The atomic size is increases when we move top to bottom along with groups, and atomic size decreases when we move left to right along with period. Why it is happening? Because when we move left to right along with period, each time new electrons are added in a same cell. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन सेम सेल में ऐड हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स प्रोटॉन भी क्या होगा, ऐड होगा. कहाँ? न्यूक्लियस में. सो न्यूक्लियस में जब प्रोटॉन ऐड होगा, हम उसी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं या फिर कहते हैं द न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीजेस. अब ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, न्यूक्लियर का चार्ज क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. आउटर मोस्ट सेल के इलेक्ट्रॉन भी क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो इसका पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस एंड नेगेटिव स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. अब पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव स्ट्रेंथ इंक्रीज हो रही है, दैट मींस इनके बीच में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन क्या होगा, वर्क करेगा. सो ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन क्या होगा, न्यूक्लियस आउटर मोस्ट सेल को अपने तरफ पुल करेगा. अब आउटर मोस्ट सेल हर बार थोड़ी थोड़ी एकदम स्लाइटली पुल होती है टुवर्ड्स द न्यूक्लियस, ड्यू टू विच एटॉमिक रेडियस क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होगा. और एटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट मींस एटॉमिक साइज भी डिक्रीज होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द ट्रेंड ऑफ atomic size in group as well as in period. So if you want to write, you can write from here. So this is the today's session of atomic radius and its trends in modern periodic table. Okay, so this is really very important part. इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन भी पूछे जाते हैं बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स में. Okay, so just keep repeat this video once or twice, thrice, जब तक आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, and you will become able to write on your own words. You have to just understand the concept only. Okay, आपको अगर concept समझ में आ गया and you know how to write, you can write on your own words. Okay, so मिलते हैं next video में. आज के लिए इतना ही.